Hello everyone. So welcome to this new video. So today I am going to show you how you can access the layer sections in the Wix. So I'll show you it with an example. So let's say we have added a text. So I will add this at heading 3 here. But let's say if its font color is white. Okay. So now as you can see it has gone, right? If you click here, you can see it's there, but you can't actually read the font, right? Because its color is white, and also the strip, this is a strip, right? So its background is also white. So now if you want to check, so if you are someone who don't know if there is a text, okay, so let's say we'll just go to the layers. So to check the layers, you have to click here to the tools, and as you can see on the second option after the toolbar, it's layers. So you have to simply click here, and as you can see a new window pops up which is called layers. So now as you can see it's already pointed to a strip. As you can see it's in blue color. So as we were here on this strip, so it is showing that we are in this strip, the blue color. So now what you need to do is simply click here on this icon, and now click here. As you can see it's showing heading 3. So as you can see it's there. So if you again change its color, so now you can see it perfectly, right? So this is how you can play around and access the layers section in the Wix. Now let's say we're adding an image. Okay, so we'll take the same image which we took earlier. Okay, so let's say if you send this image to the back of the strip. Okay, so as you can see it is not showing the image right now. So again if you go to layers like this, and as you can see it's not showing it behind the strip. Okay, as you can see there is no strip here, but as you can see here it shows the image which is showing in the page. And obviously because now we have moved it or arranged it, send it to the back of the strip, so now it is not onto the strip. Okay, so it is behind the strip. So if it was on the strip, then it would have shown here in the strip, as earlier we got to see the font. But now as we have sent it or given it a back option, like send to back option, so it has gone to the page. So so the strip is always there under the page. So the page is the base in a Wix. So as you can see we have sent behind the strip, and it has gone, that image has gone to the page. So if you click here, it is showing again it. Okay, so if you again click this option, and we'll try to bring to front again. So as you can see it has came back. So like this you have to work or access the layers option in Wix. So that's all folks, it's time to wrap up. So stay tuned for more such videos and subscribe to my channel.